topic. This is sets. All about sets in Python. A set in Python is an unordered. They can't be accessed using the index 6 number because they are unordered. Mutable collection of unique elements. Sets are primarily used for membership testing, removing duplicates, and performing mathematical set operations like union and intersections. Like whatever we learned in the mathematical form. What is a set? A set is a collection of unordered unique items enclosed in the curly braces. It eliminates duplicates and does not allow duplicate elements. Example: fruit, apple, banana, cherry. Unordered element do not have in defined order. Unique duplicate values are automatically removed. Mutable, you can add or remove items. Immutable elements in set must be immutable. It is mutable, but the elements in it are immutable. Okay. Creating sets. Basic set numbers 1 2 3 4. Empty set. Use the set function to create an empty set, not this particular curly braces, which creates an empty dictionary. Okay. Empty set is equal to set functions only. Using set function as a constructor. Characters set hello. Print characters. Output EHIO. EHLO. Accessing set elements. Sets are unordered, so they do not support indexing or slicing. Use loops to access elements for fruits in this set. Print fruit. Okay. Adding and removing elements. Adding elements. Use add a single element to the set. Fruits, apple, banana, fruits dot add cherry. Using update adds multiple elements or another iterable fruits dot update. Here we are adding the list. This set. Removing elements. We use removing function. Remove a specific item. Raise an error if not found. Okay. Use discard. Removes an item but doesn't raise any error if the item is missing. Use pop. Remove and return a random item. Okay. Use clear emptiest set. Clear for the empty. Set operations. Union or dot union function. We are combine all elements from two sets 1 2 3 3 4 5 A union B. Okay. Output this 1 2 3 4 5. Intersection or dot intersection. Find common elements between sets. Union is combining all the elements from two different sets. Intersection, find the common elements. Set methods. Dot add, dot update, dot remove, dot discard, dot pop, dot clear, dot union, dot intersection, dot differences, dot symmetric differences. Frozen set. A frozen set is an immutable version of a set. A frozen set is a mutable thing, but a frozen set is an immutable version of set. It supports all set operations except modification, no add or remove. Example: immutable underscore frozen set. It's kind of list. Immutable set. Okay. Iterating over a set. Use loops to traverse and manipulate set elements. Okay. Applications of sets. Removing duplicates. Numbers 1 2 2 3 4 4 4. Unique number set. You just use set. Membership testing. Print apple in apple banana tree. Output true. Mathematical operation. Perform union, intersection and difference operations. Sets are unordered, so the ordered elements might differ each other. Set cannot contain mutable data type like list or dictionaries. Sets in Python are a powerful tool for managing unique data and performing mathematical operations. Their efficiency and flexibility make them invaluable for tasks involving data comparison, membership testing, and duplicate removal. That's all for the set. We will learn something new in the next class.